What is up, everyone? Welcome back to NailGuyTV. Today we will be painting a red rose. I'm going to start off with 2 coats of this lovely red here. It's not too dark and not too light. Next, you want to get a much brighter red, and we're going to start from the center of the rose, creating these little C-shaped petals. And as I work my way outward, I'm giving a little bit more space in between the petals, and they're just overlapping each other as well. It doesn't need to be too perfect. You want to have them a little bit different every single time. And as my petals get a little bit further out, they're getting a different shape as well. It's not as defined. Now we want to do some low lighting, so I use the previous lines as a guide, and following each one I do a little bit of black. I use top coat to dilute it and start blending it in, and that's how we get that kind of ombre effect in there. That's what I like to do with a lot of my paintings. If you follow the page or me on Instagram, you know I do this a lot. So it's very useful, it's a useful technique, and all you have to do is just use a little bit of top coat. If you haven't already, make sure to click the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, do the bell notification. All of that really helps out the channel and it helps me out. If you have any requests for future videos, be sure to comment down below. It's really hard to come up with ideas of what to do, so I really appreciate it if you guys just let me know what you want to see. I've mixed in a little bit of white with the bright red that I had earlier, and I'm just adding some highlights. I don't put it on every single petal, I just put it on a few. I think it adds a nice little touch to it. And that is our complete finished rose. We're gonna top it off, and that makes a huge difference to all of your artwork. As soon as you put on that top coat, things start to smoothen out, and then it just looks super nice. So that's all I've got for you guys today. If there's anything specific that you want to see done, make sure to leave a comment down below. You can even send me pictures of what you want to see on Instagram, and I read all the comments. So go ahead and leave that comment. I'll read it and I'll get back to you, and hopefully we'll see a video out of it. Thanks for coming. Enjoy your day.